This summer, we traveled over 600 nautical miles on our sailboat slow ride. It's not the most we've traveled in a summer, but it definitely is the furthest we've ever gone. All in all, it was a fantastic summer, but we'll get to that later. For now, we are getting the boat ready to be lifted out of the water for the winter. That means packing up our bedding, food, and anything that could freeze during the next 7 months. And we also need to take the head and mainsail off and take them home for the winter. Tomorrow the boat comes out, so stick around and we'll give you an inside look at what it's like at Windjammers on Boats Out Day.
It's always interesting out here. Boys and their toys.
Yes. We're back!
Yes, we are.
And guess what? Today we take the boat out.
So yesterday we came out here and took the sails off the boat and took all the stuff down below, like our food and liquids and things like that. So the boat's ready to come out today. So today is boat out day, and I'm not sure how the order is, but we will be coming out today, put it back up on the trailer on the hard, and of course cover the boat for the long winter.
Yep.
But we got all season to go yet, so we'll see you guys in the first episode coming up, where we'll work on boat projects and then move on with the summer.
Yep. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.
We're doing a lot of pointing at the camera.
We're talking to you. Each year we have a crane come in to take out all of our boats and our floating docks. This happens all on the same day, so all Windjammers pitch in to make sure everything gets done smoothly and safely. One of the first things we need the crane for is to pull out the dock and our boat landing. This allows us to have 2 pickup points. I'll get to that in a bit. Throughout the day, boats line up one at a time. We line up on our center dock, which is B dock. We're up, so we need to move over to B dock and start prepping the boat for the crane.
Like that.
Once we're on B dock, we'll inch our boat up towards the crane. And once at the pickup point, a team helps us get the straps under the hull and secured to the crane. Glorious Day makes their way to the second pickup point, which is on A dock, where a second team will also help them with their straps. We also have a timekeeper that keeps record of our crane time so we can settle up when our boat is out. When the boat owner gives the okay, the boat is lifted slightly out of the water, we check the straps, hop off the boat, and the boat is lifted out of the water.
Yeah, they are. Whatever.
All while this is happening, the yard team makes sure our trailer is moved over by one of two case operators, and it's ready for our boat in time for the crane. The boat is then placed on the trailer, and the yard team makes sure it's taken to its designated spot for winter storage.
Our slip. So 12 minutes and 30 seconds they figure we were on the crane time. So
$8 a minute.
$8 a minute plus $15 equipment charge.
Yep.
Not bad. So let's go in, let's pay this, and let's grab the pressure washer and hose it off before it dries. Get all that scum off the bottom of the boat.
All right. Lunch is being made.
Nice to get all that algae off of there before it dries. Saves us a lot of time in the spring this way. Comes out pretty easy now. Once it dries on there, it's a lot harder.
For now, it feels good to have the bottom clean, but there's more to be done to get her ready for the winter. But more about that another time. Next time, we take a look at the mast and decide what needs to get done.
That has a few years on it. Right? Broke a little, but it sure came apart. Huh, that's good.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.
Help me with this.